In case you guys don't know, foldable phones usually have a long development cycle. So 5 months after the release of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, we still haven't found a single foldable phone powered by this chip. And in the 6th month, the vivo X Fold3 Pro finally became the first foldable phone powered by 8 Gen 3. We're definitely going to do a full review of it, but that's going to have to wait for a couple of days. So for now, let's do a quick unboxing to get an idea of the accessories, design, and basic features. While the X Fold3 series isn't sold globally, but Geek Wheels has it, if you are dying to have it, check out the link down below. Open the lid and the phone is lying there. Same old rule, put the phone aside first and see what's underneath. On the right is a C2C charging cable and a 120-watt charger. Vivo has always done one thing very well. The chargers for their flagship phones are always Type-C ports and support the 65-watt PD protocol. The box to the left of the chargers contains a manual, a VIP card, and a card pin. Of course, Vivo still gives you a case, but it's one-sided. The material is PC with silicone, but it feels like a vegan leather. That's all the accessories that come in the X Fold3 Pro box. So how does the X Fold3 Pro look like? What score would you give it out of 10? Actually, the black version is not my favorite. The white version would look much better. Unfortunately, the white color is seriously out of stock at the moment, so I can only show you the black version for now. Even with both round camera modules and 3 cameras, the X Fold3 Pro will look more harmonious. I mean, prettier than the OnePlus Open. The X Fold3 also has an advantage in weight and thickness. It will be lighter and thinner than most foldable phones. Speaking of weight, the standard version of the X Fold3 is the shocking one. 219 grams makes it the lightest foldable phone out there. Although the processor is 8 Gen 2 and there's no wireless charging, but it is also a lot cheaper, which I think is a good deal. The X Fold3 Pro's display is still looking good. At least from the datasheet, it doesn't look too different from other flagship foldable phones. If I have to pick a drawback, I think its external screen bezel is a little bit thicker. Many mid-range phones have narrow bezels nowadays as well, and a phone with thick bezels just doesn't look as premium. Since this is a new phone, the creases are quite shallow as a matter of fact. If the creases got deeper in the next few days, we'll let you know in a full review video. The camera system of the X Fold3 Pro is still a combination of a wide-angle camera, an ultra-wide-angle camera, plus a 3x telephoto camera. Except for the ultra-wide-angle camera, which still has room for improvement, the other 2 cameras are already at the top level. Even if I haven't taken many photos, I can assure you that Vivo is definitely top class in terms of camera. Without any testing, these are what we know now. More in-depth experience about X Fold3 Pro, you will have to wait until we do a full review to find out. X Fold3 Pro has given me a very good first impression from unboxing to hands-on. Let's hope it will surprise me more in the future as well. By the way, if you want to buy this X Fold3 Pro, check out the link down below the video. I'm Gizmochina. See you next time.